Good morning, everyone. For those of you who are new, my name is John. Usually, what I do on this channel is all about savings, looking for promotions, discounted items, and on and off, I'll do like a unbox video or installation videos or a review of a product. In this particular video, I just want to share my experience, how I got the refinancing part with a 3.49%, and how I was able to add gap insurance to my Tesla. So, short story: I bought my vehicle, my Tesla, late December of 2022, when the price was really high, and at that time I wasn't worried about I wasn't aware of the gap insurance. And as you know, after it, like in mid-January, the price of Tesla dropped. And I tried to add the gap insurance through my insurance, which is Wawanesa, and they don't have the program, so I couldn't add it. I called other places, and when I did the financings through Wells Fargo, I didn't know that Tesla financed it through Wells Fargo, but I found that out afterwards. And I contacted Wells Fargo, and they told me like, you have to contact the dealer who sold you the car. And I contacted Tesla, and they said no, we don't sell you gap. But for some reason, they referred me back to Wells Fargo. So it was a back and forth thingy. So in this video, I basically share my experience, how I got the 3.49, and how I was able to add the gap insurance to my loan. And this is not like the slideshows that I'll be showing you guys. There's no particular steps on how you do it, or which goes first. Okay, if that's something that you guys interested, you might want to stay and watch the whole video, because this might be useful for probably a lot of us, all the ones that have bought the vehicles in before 2023. Okay. So somehow I was able to, I found this company, credit union online, Tao Federal Credit Union. So apparently this company, they do the communications is pretty much through online. There's a few other companies that I applied for, and their rates, it's higher than the Wells Fargo rates that I currently have, which is 5.34%. And I do have 800 scores on my credit. So, but I think at that time that was the best rate Tesla can give me. However, I did contact other credit union too, but their rates is either close to what I currently have, or maybe just a little bit lower. However, when I got to the Tao Federal Credit Union, and when I applied, it amazed me how I got approved for 3.49%. Okay, so I did apply, and this is I applied. I think I applied on January 27th of 2023, and this is what I got back from them. And basically, they just need some of the information. When you fill out the on the website, you got to fill out all your personal informations. Like, how are you renting? Are you paying mortgage? What is your income? Are you have any, all kind of stuff like expenses, right? But once you're approved, this is what they need from you. So they need you got to become a member for them. So I think I'm not sure how much I paid to become a member. Maybe $35, and then you have to deposit $5. Okay, and then you got to send in your copy driver's license, copy of the title, completed and signed payoff authorization letter. Some of these I'm going to show in a couple slides forward, and then proof of insurance, and then the name and the amount financing. Okay. So, like I was telling you, there's specific company. Mainly, they do it through online, so it's really hard to get a hold of them. I tried calling them maybe like 5 times, and I was only able to get through them about maybe 3 times. and each time is like about 4 minutes wait. So just be patient with them. They are working behind the scene to get your loan moving forward, even though it doesn't seem like it, but they are. Okay, so usually the way how they communicate with you or with me is through, they send like a message through your email, and from there you click on it and it'll take you through this website, and you fill in your last name and then your email, and then you hit like send email authentications. Then you go back to your email account and you look for that special code, and then over here it'll pop up, and this is where you're going to input the code, and then it'll let you access all of this stuff over here. As you can see here, the status approved created was on January 26th. Oh, I thought it was 27th. And then the approved date was a couple days ago, and the amount that they approved me. And anytime when they if you want to see what they're responding to you or what they need from you, you have to click on the message, and you have like a little notification on it to know that you have an unread message, and then you click on it, and then any documentations, it would from here you could. So if you click on here, it will tell you, please print out this paper, please print out this paper, and whatever they needed you to do, you just need to take that and make sure it's completed, and then you upload it. Click this button here to upload everything back. Okay, so payoff authorization. So this one right here, you're gonna fill out all this information, and you get signed it, and you upload it back to them. Okay, so basically for me, I signed it, and they I asked Wells Fargo for a loan payoff, and you know, Wells Fargo is pretty fast. They have like their internet department. They got back with me really quick, and not only that, but they actually sent me like hard copies of everything that I requested. So right here, like specific power of attorney authorization. This one you gotta take it to a public notary and have someone, you know, fill it out for you, because basically I'm just authorizing this specific employees here to take care of my loan and to move forward. And it cost me $15, and I did it at the UPS store. Like I said, there's no specific order for all this, so I'm just put it in the slideshow for you guys to see it. So this one here says the vehicle has to be like insured, you know. Of course, it's a brand new vehicle, but they want to know that. And also, they had me contacted my my insurance company, and then I have to list them as a lost payee. And then afterwards, I need to fax this or upload it to them. And this is once you become a member, you gotta notify them, because I think my the loan application has to it was stopped because I didn't become a member. So once I became a member, and then once I called them and messaged them, the process moved a lot faster. So this is the gap insurance that I mentioned earlier in the video. For me, it costs $499. So basically, for those of you guys who don't know what the gap insurance is, so for example, if I owe like $62,000 on my car, and if my car would happen to be totaled today, the insurance only would pay out about maybe whatever the actual price is. So right now the Tesla Model Y long range, maybe what's $54,000. So that's what they're gonna pay out, $54,000. So the $8,000 that I'm short, this gap insurance will cover that, okay? Because Tesla dropped the price dramatically. So it is good. So for those of you guys out there who bought the vehicle and didn't have gap insurance, or their credit unions or the finance company didn't offer, you know, this would be a great time to add it as well. As you can see in the next slides here, that I talked to the my loan officer, and I think it was she. I asked her specifically to add it to the loan, but I guess she forgot. But in the end, she added it to it. So as you can see here, everything, all the information's like 3.49s. The finance charge, this is like $6,000. 900 some for the 6 years. I remember, if I'm not wrong, I think with Wells Fargo it was like 10,000 something. So I'm saving myself about 3,000 some. Not only that, but I have the gap insurance included into the policy, and this way, I can rest assured, because I was really worried about, you know, um, paying out like the difference if something would happen to my vehicle. And as you can see, these are all the breakdown to how much I'll be paying and when my everything will be done. So in conclusions, 3.49, I think it was the best rate for me, and because I think before this one I tried other credit union somewhere in Orange County. I'm not gonna mention the name, but I think they gave me 4.99. Okay, so which was still better than the 5.34 that I got through Tesla from Wells Fargo. Gap insurance, it is much needed, guys. So this is a time, if you're gonna refinance, you might as well add it to your thing. It can be time consuming because, like I was mentioning in the beginning, I applied in January 26th, and the whole process got approved in March 3rd. So maybe like close to 2 months. Okay, even though it's a hard time to get to this company, but they are working behind the scenes to make the loan moving forward. And like I said, just keep track in the email, because that's how they're gonna contact you. They won't call you. All they do is just they message you. Even though I asked them to give me a call, I left like a couple messages, and they said they would, but they never did. But they did get the loan processed and done. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you come through this far to the end, thank you very much for watching. And if you like the video, or if somehow the video helped you anyhow, please give a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe for more useful content like this. Other than that, today is Sunday. Thank you very much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.